My prophet taught me to always have a smile on my face, so in case you have a bad time, we can change that and both have happier days. My prophet taught me equality, that the color of my skin doesn't matter, cause we all come from the same seeds, and if you're better than me, then only by your good deeds. My prophet taught me sincerity, so that when we give in charity, we don't ask for your reward, nor do we seek thanks. We just hope that by God we've been raised ranks. My prophet taught me that the life of one innocent soul equals the life of humanity. So when you take away one life, you have taken away sanity. My prophet taught me to watch out for my temper, cause the strong man isn't the one with the most strength, but the one who can control his anger. My prophet taught me to be kind and loving towards my mother, to make sure she's always in a good mood, cause she's the woman who took care of me in a time when I couldn't even chew my own food. My prophet taught me respect for women in ways that you have never seen, so much so that when I talk to one, I lower my gaze like I'm talking to a queen. My prophet taught me to never tell a lie or cheat, cause when I steal the truth, I still feel like a thief. My prophet taught me to always conduct my businesses justly, so that on judgment day I might be raised amongst the prophets, while other people's businesses just turn to dust. See, my prophet taught me how to fast, so that I can draw closer to God and appreciate the food that some people don't have. My prophet taught me to give what I can, be it half a date, cause once I'm dead I wish I would have given, but it's gonna be too late. My prophet taught me, my prophet taught me, my prophet taught me that I have a beautiful religion, and I would be a criminal if I would keep that hidden.